Need to fix Barney's and Noble app not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into the App Store. Here in the address bar you need to search for Barney's and Noble. Head over to this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue. If not, now the next thing you want to do is move into Safari. In the address bar, search for Barney's and Noble outage. Head over to the very first site. In this page, you will be able to check whether the server of the application is down or not. If the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server has been fixed, now move ahead to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. Search for the application Barney's and Noble. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.